Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to learn in English Standard 5 chapter number 8.2 The Little Bully. The story of the little bully is written by Enid Blyton. It revolves around a bully named Harry. He is a small but strong boy who goes around teasing the other girls and boys of his school. Harry enjoys pinching a lot along with pricking kids with a pain. This is the reason why everyone in the class hates him. They do not like spending time with him because of these habits. The little bully. What is going on in this picture? You can see the students. In this picture, one boy is pinching a girl. The children also try to give it back to him, but he pinches back harder. So they were pretty helpless in this situation. One day, the class go for a picnic to the seaside. Everyone is very excited to play. They play with each other, but no one likes playing with Harry. So this angers him. After that, Harry goes to a sandy corner and sits down all by himself. He takes out his lunch to start eating alone. He brought a very delicious lunch, but had no one to share it with. As Harry begins to eat his lunch, a monster crab appears. The crab takes out his claw and shakes it. However, the crab opens his pincers and nips Harry's hand. Harry's hand hurts so he yells in pain. Further, a lobster also crawls out of the pool and does the same to Harry. Soon, shrimps and prawns starts coming out of the pool and they start pricking him. This constant pinching turns Harry all black and blue. Harry is in pain and this surprises the creatures. They ask him why does not like this because they heard that he is a champion pincher and picker. Harry jumps in pain and his lunch rolls out. The creature now hurry back to the lunch to enjoy the feast. Seeing this, Harry realizes it is time to run. He saves himself and runs away. However, he then realizes the lesson. Finally, Harry realizes the pain he got from them is the same he inflicts on others. Thus, it helps him understand why no one likes him or play with him. He then decided to not pinch or prick anyone. Do you think that crab is sinking hands with Harry? No. Crab is pinching and pricking on Harry's hand. Now you can see in the picture. What is going on in Hari's mind? We learn from the conclusion of the little bully. This is a story. This story is a great way of teaching students about the consequences of bullying. What is going on in Hari's mind? We can see in the conclusion of the little bully. This story is a great way of teaching students about the consequences of bullying. It helps you realize that as you sow, so shall you reap. Students, the consequences of bullying, it helps you realize that as you sow, shall you reap. Give one word and answer. An injury by blow to body. Rough and deep sounding. Gripping tool. Main stem. Angry frown. Give the opposites for this word. Smile, happy, strong, quiet, punish. Complete the blanks with rhyming words. Bruise, carriage, prawn, creatures, teachers, word. Now we can see the picture of seaside creatures in this. Crabs, types of crabs in sea. Students, identify these animals and speak 2 sentences. For example, you can see starfish, jellyfish, crabs, starfish, jellyfish, crabs, etc. And you have to speak 2 sentences about it. Students, I hope you learn this lesson, this story very well. Students, write all the subject lessons exercise in a notebook and send it via mail to the school. Thank you. Bye-bye.